Hari Om. Now let us come to the Sutra number 26, where he is giving some solution to the problems which he has already raised. Patanjali has explained the importance of avidya, and avidya is a root cause of all miseries in our life. And to overcome that, he is giving the solution now. In Sutra number 26, Patanjali says, Viveka khyatihi aviplava hanopaya. How to remove avidya? Upaya means remedy. So he is giving the remedy to overcome the avidya or dispersing the avidya. Avidya is the absence of knowledge, absence of real knowledge, we can say. So he is using the exact opposite word. When avidya is to be removed, the opposite thing is to be awakened. Just as we can say, the darkness of the night slowly disappears as the sun rises in the sky. So these are exact opposites. Similarly, avidya, exact opposite word is viveka khyati. Vivek is a awareness of discrimination. So that knowledge must be there, and because avidya is absence of knowledge, viveka khyati is awareness of knowledge. Exact opposite words. So he is giving the opposite solution, just like sun is the solution for the overcoming the darkness. Here viveka khyati is a solution for avidya, removing or overcoming the avidya. And now khyati is awakening of that viveka. Viveka is a discriminative knowledge, and discrimination between real knowledge and ordinary knowledge. In particular, we can say discrimination between the Atman and non-Atman, that all materialistic things and the real energy of them. To discriminate this is Vivek. So that awareness must develop, and when this awareness develops, the avidya will be slowly diminishing. Exactly similar as sun rises in the sky, the darkness slowly disappears. Exactly same thing is given here. And that viveka khyati is also very important word. Khyati is slowly developing. It's not a sudden change. It will start developing. That's why I say it is exactly identical to sunrise. As sun starts rising in the sky, slowly the darkness disappears. Similarly, as the viveka is rising, that means it is developing in awareness, slowly, avidya also will disappear. So viveka khyati is a solution for removing or dispersing avidya. And now that viveka khyati must be aviplava. Aviplava means non-disturbing, firm. So there must be firm knowledge of discrimination, which should arise, and that will disappear or discriminate avidya. And when avidya is abolished or dispersed, then real knowledge will be there, because avidya is the absence of knowledge. When there is no avidya, there is real knowledge is there, and this real knowledge will give the solution to all the problems. And now the still question remains, how the viveka khyati should be developed, and that he is answering in the further sutras. Hari Om.